In a major boost to India's tech landscape, thematic hubs have been established under the National Quantum Mission at leading institutions, driving advancements in quantum computing and communication. Additionally, Bharat Gen, which is a government-backed multimodal large language model initiative, was launched to enhance public services with generative AI in Indian languages. DD India correspondent Tapas Bhattacharya reports.
In today's world, AI and quantum physics is the buzzword, and right now I have with me the DST secretary to talk about the launch of the National Quantum Missions. Bharat AI is a Gen first, and then you have some set up TBHs in different places in the country. Give us a brief idea of how these thematic hubs are working, and Bharat Gen, that's another big thing that you guys have done.
So basically in quantum we are setting up 4 thematic hubs, one in the area of computing, and as you saw in computing we are setting up it in IISc Bangalore. In the area of communication which we are setting up in IIT Madras along with CDOT, and then third one is in quantum sensing which we are setting up in IIT Bombay, and fourth one is in quantum materials and devices which we are setting up in IIT Delhi. So although these 4 hubs we are setting up in 4 institutions and research lab, but about 43 institutions across the country are involved as the members of the project team, working in different aspects of whether it is computing or communications and materials and devices.
And what is Bharat Gen? A lot of people are talking about Bharat Gen, a new thing coming up.
The whole idea was to develop the foundational model, the foundational large language model for Indian languages, so that then we can develop AI tools tailored in the Indian context.
How is it so different than, let's say, Bhashini? That's another government of India's project.
Bhashini is basically a language tools. This will be definitely leveraging the expertise of the Bhashini or the Bharat Data Sagar, the data sets which will get generated, because ultimately the foundational models will need the data. So it will be built on the Bhashini. It is a generative AI tool that will be developed using the LLM models as a Bharat Gen.
So National Quantum Mission, you guys have started in a big way. The government of India has also set aside considerable amount of money for that. Where are we right now, and do you believe that in few days, in due course of time, we will have a major breakthrough in this?
Yes, absolutely. We are fully confident. In fact, in the area of quantum sensing and quantum communication, we do hope that we could be globally competitive in the next 4 or 5 years. In the area of computing, at least in algorithms and applications, we can also become globally competitive.
Much appreciated your time. So that was the DST secretary saying that it's time. National Quantum Mission is expected to be a major success, and the thematic hubs and the launch ceremony of the Bharat Gen, which is expected to be another game changer for Department of Science and Technology as well as for the country. With Kapil Manmohan, this is Tapas Bhattacharya for DD India from Delhi.